You were Latoya Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you were charged with fraudulent destruction of a price tag. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to, bless you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
On December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a theft at a business in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with a loss prevention officer who advised he was watching surveillance when he noticed the defendant removing price tags off items and placing them on different items in her basket. The total was $136.27.
Okay, pause right there. This is one of those cases that sounds small until you hear the details. Swapping price tags might not look dramatic, but legally, that's still theft-related fraud. And the fact that she admitted it on scene immediately makes this case much tougher to fight in court. That confession just became the prosecution's favorite piece of evidence.
And when the officer spoke with the defendant, she admitted to removing price tags and placing them on different items before checking out.
Jackson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? What do you do for a living?
Healthcare.
Okay. What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have any children? Okay. Do you get support for the child? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? Okay. Do you mind giving an application, please? Deputy Lopez is going to give you an application. I'll have you fill it out. I'll see. I need to know everything about you, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you do, I'll provide you a lawyer today, man. Please.
All right, Judge, I can call this matter supervision.
Okay.
There are any bond conditions for?
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Yes. No going, where was it from?
The Walmart.
Okay, no going to any Walmart.
Yes, Judge.
If you don't mind filing that, and then, hey, I forgot to do conditions. So.
Notice how serious Judge Fleischer is about the Walmart restriction. A lot of viewers think bond conditions are just suggestions. They're absolutely not. If she walks into another Walmart while this case is pending, the judge can revoke that bond instantly. One wrong move, and she's back in custody. Would you guys risk it over a shopping trip?
Before she goes, we'll do, no going to Walmart.
That's from the state.
Yeah. All right, you are Aguilar Barrera.
Con palabra.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes.
Okay, sir, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer initiated a traffic stop after observing the defendant failed to maintain a single lane and run over a curb in an underpass in Harris County, Texas. Upon contact, the officer observed unsteadiness, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant did not consent to standard field sobriety tests. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused a blood and breath sample. A search warrant was signed and executed.
Can you see any prior DWIs? And have you see it?
I have no license on file, and there's no prior DWIs.
Okay. Mr. Aguilar Barrera, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you were in this country without permission and you go to jail long enough and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody.
This is where the courtroom energy completely shifts. The judge isn't just talking about a DWI anymore. Now immigration consequences are entering the picture too. And whether people agree with the tone or not, this warning is crystal clear. Do not drive again. The burning building and 50 kittens line? That's the judge making sure this defendant never forgets the order.
Until this case is over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. You drive, I can have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with another 6 months in jail and or a $500 fine every time you drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming any kind of alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours.
Listen to how the
and
judge
that's when
ties
immigration will
bond
put their
violations
clutches all over
directly
you.
to jail time. This is
This is
something
the
a lot
only
of
warning
people
you're gonna get.
underestimate with PR
Heed
bonds.
this
You
warning.
get freedom fast, but the leash is short. One failed drug test, one
How
new
old are you,
arrest,
sir?
one violation, and suddenly that quick release turns into months sitting in custody waiting for
What do you do
court.
for a living?
High stakes, zero tolerance.
Maybe 12 hours, and that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning. How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Como unos 3,000 a la mes.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an
Oh,
attorney.
you do?
Sí, hay abogado.
What is this?
Andro.
Oh, and droga? Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to have you swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset. I'll have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and then we'll just have you wait in back for your lawyer to arrive.
Gracias.
Please.
Thank you, señor.
All right, Judge, next is case.
I have to admonish you. So before you leave, please. Come on. Ms. Jackson, I wanted to just apprise you that when we have cases of this nature, I forbid you from going back to the place in question. In this place, it's Walmart. You're not allowed to go to Walmart. You're not allowed to go to any Walmart for any reason. It doesn't matter. Do you understand? If we catch you at a Walmart or if you pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke the bond. I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand, ma'am? Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Josh.
Counsel for reset.
But a judge decides to do Thank you.
Yeah, hi, James.
Good morning, Judge. I have Michael James. It's an old case, but I was appointed December 9th. I was just appointed about less than a month ago, Judge.
Okay.
And we have a PCI deal worked out where if he does a gun safety course and some anger management, the case will be dismissed. And we get him, how long would you like?
Is he here?
No, Judge, he's here. We
Come on
already-
up, sir. So a gun class and you said community service?
No, gun safety course and anger management course.
Anger
Judge.
management, okay. Is it like a 2 or 3 hour anger management class?
It's a 4
It's
hour.
a 4-hour, Judge.
Okay.
They just said do any online one.
2 classes to do and the case gets dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Each class is around 2 to 4 hours. How long do you think it'll take you to get done?
Not gonna take me long. I'll get on that today.
2 weeks?
Yes, Judge, that'd be
All right.
plenty of time.
Okay.
And now we get a totally different courtroom moment. Instead of punishment, this is rehabilitation-focused justice. Gun safety plus anger management in exchange for dismissal? That's the system basically saying, fix the behavior and we'll give you a second chance. Honestly, this might be the most important contrast in the entire video. Strict accountability in one case, rehabilitation in another.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
You
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, Judge.
Hi. Yes, of course.
Osvaldo Presa.
Presa.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Uy.
my intention was to work out.
It's 225 days old. I think that now will get their attention. We'll see. If they come in, we can still do it at any time, but I'm not gonna roll it when it's SFBF today, you know? Yeah, and then just whenever, at some point, they'll either picked up. If they wanna come in and do it, bring them in, we'll just do it. Okay? So, how many times, let me see how many times he's missed. I normally set it around 5,002 if they've missed 2 times. I don't know how many times he's missed, so let me see. Okay, I'll do 5,001. Okay, sure.
All right.
No. Sorry. 5,002. Presa. He has 2 times that he failed to appear.
Judge, for Lizzo, for her meeting on the account today, it should still be ready for activity. Is there any way we could change the box to say admins? Since we changed our commissioners.
On the actual, I mean, I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. You mean on the bond violation report?
Yes.
I see. I did it.
Thank you.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
No, that's okay. Yeah. Hey, Victoria. On Presa, on the 12/19, it's a required appearance, and the defendant did not sign. So the defendant was a no-show?
Right, that's why we said
Okay.
the problem.
It doesn't say that in the court notes, though.
I think on the reset, it said a required appearance. And then I saw the following reset was set for bond forfeiture. So
He did.
Are you ready? You?
At this point, you can really see how chaotic courtroom management becomes behind the scenes. Missed appearances, bond violations, reset confusion. This is the stuff viewers usually never get to see. And every paperwork mistake or no-show creates delays that can snowball into warrants, higher bonds, or even extra charges. Court isn't just about guilt or innocence. It's also about procedure.
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Approaching on Salustrio Garcia. And I just have a standing breath test. Just for everyone else.
No, I'll sign it.
That's
Come on.
signed. Thank you.
Are you okay with it? You want them to sign it too, or no?
No.
You don't?
Government
Okay.
office policy. but
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
We'll
Okay.
get it done.
So that's it. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes.